What's up, everybody? This is Jose Ortiz from PetRockMedia.com, and today we have a huge milestone that we're going to talk about that this channel just hit a few days ago. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so if you're new to the channel and enjoy cinematography, videography, gaming, tech, reviews, cinematography, you name it, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you are notified each and every time we post a video or go live. So guys, it is with great excitement that I announced that just a few days ago, August 26th, 2019, this channel, thanks to you guys and a ton of other great supportive channels, hit a huge milestone. We cracked the 2,000 subscriber milestone here on this channel. Now, if you go back and take a look, my channel was started over 10 years ago, and it started off with just a way of dropping quick reviews and very quick little office reviews and office layouts. But since about 2 years ago, I've started taking this channel off, started investing my time and effort and a lot of hard work into growing this channel, providing you guys with quality content. And you guys have spoken, you show your support each and every time we post videos, and I cannot say thank you enough. There are so many channels out there, from Tree Trimmer 82, Island Life Fishing, Pusa Studios, JM Moving Productions, Elsa Fan, Sky Inc. Every single person out there that has supported this channel, I cannot say thank you enough, as I've said. And I greatly appreciate each and every one of you stopping by, showing love, leaving comments, asking questions, and taking this channel off to a great start. Now, we're just getting started. 2,000 is a great milestone, but I see this channel getting bigger and better and offering great content as we move forward. So guys, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much for each and every one of you who have supported this channel. And if you're new to the channel, again, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon. If you know anybody who might be interested in this channel, please feel free to share it out. Share it out to your social media. Let's get the Pet Rock Media army growing. And keep an eye out on all my social medias. They are always posted down below, because we will be doing a giveaway here shortly in the next coming weeks on hitting this great milestone. So once again, guys, I cannot say thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you who stop by and greatly support this channel. And for you guys, I will always be eternally grateful. Once again, this is Jose Ortiz from PetRockMedia.com, signing out, guys. Peace.